Hi people, what I'm showing you is the backside of the big tree that fell. It goes all the way over there. Well, it's been getting rotten a little bit, and we're just gonna see if we could cut some more off of it and see if we could fix this up. This is my raised bed. Yeah, was my raised bed. As you can see, everything is like nothing there. I don't know if I should put something in here because, well, it's like this. Well, the chicken just climbs in, the dog might decide to sleep here, and all that stuff. So, I gotta fix it. It had a fence around it, and 2 times they messed it up. First time it was here, there was a big tree that came down, and how you call it, my roof hold it up there. So we called and right away they came. Well, in the municipality, somebody else was working, so they came pretty fast. Now, over a year. This is Maria. So I'm not going to bother with that no more. Whenever I can, I'll see how we can fix this out. As you can see, we got a trunk here that we plan to either pull it out, but I think you got to cut it. So we got a lot of work to do here, as you can see right there. You know, everything is like all over the place, and I call it. I don't have nobody like to really help me out either. So, when my husband can, he does whatever he can, and that's how we've been messing. The other side of the house is a lot of grass, so we've been using insecticide to jot it down because it's how you call it, too much. So anyway, I might plant something here. I don't know. And as you can see, right there, the tree is there. My husband cut up to over here, but hold on. I'm trying to control the wheelchair. Okay, so he has cut part of it, but it hasn't all been cut. Here, as you can see right there, there's a pumpkin growing. It's climbed up from somewhere. Oh yeah, from back there, it's climbing up this way. So this is my beautiful plant. I call it snow plant. I don't know what they call it, but it is a beautiful plant. When you keep them low, cut down low, you could see the beauty of it. When you let it grow too up, you really don't see the beauty of it. So it's still alive. It's stuck in between all the rubbles that is around it, but it's still alive. And my friend came, took a couple of them to plant it in her house. This one, my cousin that gave it to me, he died last year, and it was a little painful. But every time I see this plant, it reminds me of him. So that's cool. Over here, I don't know what I have. It's just grass and which I'm gonna take down. They just like spread out and keep growing and keep growing. Really doesn't do much, but I have to find a way of taking all this out because it's all tangled up. So I probably have to cut it, in order to get to the plant and clean it out. Also, we have. Hold on, give me a break so I could. Okay, I got it. I got it. Okay, over here we have Royal King. I used to come every day to check them out. They were beautiful. They grow these purple flowers, gorgeous. And I think that's where the seeds are at. So when they get big and I see that they have those how you call it? Those plants, those flowers, I'm gonna try and push it that way. So it could keep on spreading this here. This is good for tea, I also have mint inside, but not a lot. But I have mint. And I was planning to take a couple of these and drink it, make a tea. Because I'm dying to drink tea, but I do not have tea. Over here, I found right in that corner right there, I found a couple of corianders, which now is in my house. I haven't seen no more. And there are baby things growing up, so I have to wait until those babies grow and see if they are coriander. As you can see, look how beautiful. So I basically came to get some of this. Not a lot because it's just for me. So I probably just take a few leaves and leave them alone because I want them to grow beautifully, you know. And I don't know what happened to them. They were totally dead. You could still see some of the dead stuff in the back. I didn't know what happened. But then there was a storm, a rainstorm, and it rained for a few days, and whatever they poured there to kill it, it made it great, beautiful. All of a sudden, I see it's growing back again, and I was super happy. So that's all for now, and God bless you all. Bye bye. And when this gets fixed, I'll show you how it looks. Okay, bye bye.